Hey guys, today we're going to be making a Halloween craft. We're going to be making a mummy luminary. So you remember, luminaries are things that have a light in them that glow. So you're going to get a jar and a candle, a pretend candle that you can turn on, and a glue stick and 2 googly eyes. And what you're going to do to start is you're going to grab your gauze and you're going to grab your jar and you're going to start wrapping the gauze around the jar. And you can do it any way you want. And you're going to use the whole roll. And you just keep wrapping and wrapping. And you can make it sort of smooshed looking to make it look more creepy, get some texture. Any way you want is totally fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, if it looks a little tattered and weird, it's almost better because that's very mummy-like. And then when you get towards the end of your gauze, you're just going to take the little tail end of it and tuck it under another piece of gauze. So I'm not going to glue my gauze or anything. I'm just going to find a little piece to tuck it under so it stays, because gauze kind of sticks to itself really nicely. So I just tucked it underneath. We have this creepy jar covered with gauze. Then you're going to make it look more like a mummy by giving it some eyes. The eyes really make it seem mummy-like. So when I'm putting on something like an eye with glue stick, I take a giant chunk of glue off the glue stick and press it on good. Otherwise, things like this don't stay if you just rub a layer. So yeah, grab a big chunk. Give your mummy a second eye. And then we are going to pop our candle inside. And I'm going to shut the light off so you can see it glowing, but this is a great Halloween decoration. And that's all there is to it. Bye.